You guys, I had to share this with y'all right away so you can get out there this weekend and go look for it if you are interested. I just left the Dollar Tree and they had just put out China Glaze, you guys. They had one color, 3 in a box, but they're selling them separately, so they didn't even have them open yet. The guy had to open it and take one out for me. They had about 6 colors all together. They had like a silver that I liked, a purple, it was kind of like a metallic, they had a nude, and I think one other color. But these 3 I thought were really cute, so I just picked these up, but I'm so tempted to go back and get a few more. But I got this one with the silver top and it's so freaking pretty. This one is Some Like It Hot. Look at that. So sparkly. And I love this army green. I have been looking for an army green for a while. I'm going to have to shake it up. If you guys can see, it's a bit settled. So I'm going to put it on my spinner. But this one is called Central Parka. Pretty army green, and I absolutely love this color. This one is called Sample Sizing Me Up. So yes, I just got all of these at Dollar Tree, $1.25 each. You cannot beat that for China Glaze. They're anywhere from what, $10 to $12, depending on where you go, where you get them. So this is like a really, really good find. I was so excited. I didn't record when I found them, like the shelf and everything. They did have some new, like, they're probably not new, but some NYC polishes up that were sold separately in a little package. But my hands were so full, I had to have the cashier get these out for me and take them to the counter. I couldn't even hold them or else I would have recorded. But if I do go back, I'll try to remember and record and show you guys exactly where I found them and what they looked like. But if you guys are interested, make sure you go run out this weekend to your Dollar Tree, see if you can find these China Glaze, $1.25. Might as well throw this in there too. I forgot to share this with you guys. This I actually got from Amazon, but it is a base and top coat by Sally Hansen called Ultimate Shield. I have not tried this before, and it was like $1.97, I believe, on Amazon. So that's why I went ahead and got it. Plus I needed a new base and top coat. So I'm going to try this out and see how it works. If you guys have used this, let me know what your thoughts on it are. It says it protects against brittle nails and stuff like that, and that's exactly what I need. And I know I usually see it in the stores for about $4 and up, so I thought that was a great deal, so I just went ahead and got it. And if you guys do, make sure you comment below, let me know that you went and you found some. How many did you get? What colors did you get? All that good stuff. That's it, y'all. I had to let you guys up on it. That was today. Today is Friday. I don't remember what the date is today. I'll put it in the video. But yes, today is Friday, so I'm going to get this up right now so you guys can get out there now or Saturday or Sunday and go look for it. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Bye, y'all.